What's up, guys? As you probably saw from my last video, if you didn't watch it, this is my face reveal. I don't want to do this, but it's gotta happen one day. I guess that one day is today. So, guys, you're probably getting excited for this one, even if you're not. Happy New Year, that was a long time ago, but literally 3 days ago, for when I made this video. Happy New Year 2026. Goodbye, everyone. I'm not gonna leave the video thing, but you guys came here for a face reveal, so I'm gonna give you that. 3, 2, 1. That's me. That's me. You can see it from my face. That's my face. Like you guys wanted, if you don't think I look good, it's fine, but